Hello people. In our previous videos, we have seen how to change the text color and cell color. But how Excel will change these based on the values entered in that cell. We have student marks in a column like this. I want to highlight the marks in red color which are below 35. So Excel has to see each cell and change the color if it is below 35. Next, highlight the marks in green color which are equals to 100 like this. Next, I want to compare each number with maximum value of our selection. This comparison to be shown in bars like this. Next, I want to give the importance based on the value of a number like this. See, here if the value is 70, then it is be important. If it is 60 or 55, partially important. Below that are not so important. I have some data with subject, class and teacher name. How to convert this to a table like this? We'll see all above in Excel. Let's go to Excel. Here I have student marks. In this, I want to identify the cells where the marks are below 35. Then I want to change the text color and cell color only for those cells. There is no need to do it one by one manually. We have an option called conditional formatting. We'll apply and see that. First select the column or range, then go to Home tab. Under Styles, click on this conditional formatting. A drop-down list open. All these are conditions or rules. Now I want to highlight a cell using rule where the value should be below 35. For this, go to Highlight Cells Rules. Then click on Less Than. Here, give the number as 35. Select the formats you need. If you select light red filled with dark red text, then the cell will get red color and the font will get thick red color. I am selecting light red fill. Click OK. See, all the values which are below 35 has been highlighted. If you change any value in this range and the value is below 35, even that will get highlighted. Now we will have another example. In this, I need to highlight only 100 mark cells with green color. Let's select the column. Then go to Home tab. Under Styles, click on Condition Formatting. Go to Highlight Cells Rules. Then click on Equal to. Enter number as 100. I am selecting the format as green color with dark green text fill. Click OK. See, all the cells having 100 was highlighted in green. You have multiple conditions or rules under this conditional formatting list. We have seen how to choose few colors based on the defined rule. Instead of red color, I want blue color for these cells where the value is equal to 100. But we don't have blue color in the options we seen. Then how to do that? First select the column, then go to Home tab. Under Styles, click on Conditional Formatting. I want to highlight a cell with blue where the value should be equal to 100. Go to Highlight Cells Rules, then click on Equal to. Here, give the number as 100. See, here in these formats, we don't have blue color. So how can I get blue color? Choose the custom format. A new window will open like this. Here, go to Fill tab, choose the blue color from this color table. Click OK. Again click OK. See, hundreds are highlighted with blue color. Like this, you can customize the format you need. Next, I want to show my data in bars based on the cell value. I have these marks. I want to compare each row with the highest value of this column. Here, the highest value is 100. I want to compare each value with 100 and show that comparison result in graphical representation. To do this, go to Home tab. Under Styles, click on Conditional Formatting. Go to Data Bars and choose any one from the option. Here I am choosing red data color. See, here the cell with 100 has full red. Cells with the value 90 has filled red color less than 100. Cells with the value 80 has filled less than 90 and so on. I have another example of marks. Here I want to show that if the marks are 70 then eligible and it should have tick mark. Below 70 nearest to 55 to 60 it should be okay and I want to show it with exclamatory mark. Below 55 all the marks are not eligible which should be represented with X mark. Select the column, go to Home tab, under Styles, click on Conditional Formatting. Go to Icon Sets, under Indicators, choose 3 symbols. See, 70 has tick mark, 60 and 55 has exclamatory and below that has X symbol. Like this, you can apply different conditional formats based on the rules. I have shown few of them. You can try others. If you want more customization, you can use Manage Rules option under Conditional Formatting list. To create a new rule, you can use shortcut Alt-H-L-N. First select the cell, then press Alt-H-L-N. A new window will open. In this, select the rule from this Select a Rule type. Based on this, below rule descriptions will change. I am choosing Format only cells that contain. From down this panel, select the options. Here I am selecting cell value between values 30 to 40. Click on this format to define the cell format. Here we have multiple table. To edit the cell color, go to tab Fill. Here select the color you need as a cell color. I am choosing green. Then go to Font tab. Here I am choosing the text color as white. You can choose border as well. Like this, you can customize the cell format. Once everything is done, click on OK. You can see the cell format here. If the format is fine, then click OK. You can remove the conditional formats applied. You can remove for one cell or range of cells or for entire worksheet. To remove conditional formatting, first go to Home tab. Under Styles, click on Conditional Formatting. Go to Clear Rules. If you want to remove only for selected cells, click on First option. If you want to remove all the conditional formats for entire sheet, choose second option. Now I am choosing second option. See, all the conditional formats have been removed. You can perform by using these shortcut keys. To remove for one cell or cell range, first select the range, then press Alt-H-L-C-S. See, the conditional format has been removed. You can remove all the conditional formats by using Alt-H-L-C-E. See, all the formats from this sheet has been removed. That's all about conditional formatting. Here I have a table without any borders and header segregation. I want to convert this to a nice table. How can I do that? Select the entire data, go to Home tab, under Styles, click on Format as Table. These are the different table styles. Click on any one style you like. See, the data has been converted into a nice table. We have one more option called Cell Styles. Using this, you can change a cell style. These are the styles defined in Excel. I can apply these styles to my cell. First, select the cell, go to Home tab, under Styles, click on Cell Styles. Choose any style you like. See, the format of the cells has been changed. So far, we have seen conditional formatting, format as table, and cell styles. The shortcuts we discussed are Alt-H-L-N is to create a new conditional formatting rule. Alt-H-L-C-S is to remove conditional formatting rules from a cell. Alt-H-L-C-E is to remove conditional formatting rules from all cells. So that's all about this video. We'll see further concepts in our next videos. Any suggestions, please comment below.